In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a macro in Zendesk quickly and easily. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Zendesk, and once there, locate and click on the Sign In button. You'll find this option at the top right corner of the home page. Clicking it will bring you directly to the login page. On this page, it's time to enter your email and password. Make sure you're using the right credentials to ensure a smooth login experience. Once you've correctly entered your information, simply click on the Sign In button again, and you'll be taken into your Zendesk account. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the Zendesk main dashboard. Here, you need to click on the Views option, usually found on the left sidebar. This allows you to access different views or lists of tickets. Once you're in the Views section, go ahead and select the ticket you wish to create a macro for. This can be any ticket relevant to your current workflow or task. With the ticket open, your next step is to look for the three dots icon usually present on the ticket page. This icon might be located in the top right or as an additional options menu on the ticket interface. Once you find it, give it a click. Doing so will present a menu with multiple options. What you're looking for is the Create as Macro option. Selecting this will begin the process of creating your macro. At this point, you'll see a screen prompting you to add a name for your macro. Make sure to choose a name that's clear and descriptive, something that helps you and your team easily identify its purpose in the future. Alongside the macro name, you also have the option to add a description. This step, while optional, is quite helpful for providing a brief overview or specific details about the macro's function, making sure everyone is on the same page when using it. After you've named your macro and added any necessary details or descriptions, the final task is arguably the simplest. Clicking on the Create button. This action will save your macro, making it ready for use in your workflows. And just like that, you've successfully created a macro in Zendesk. That's all there is to it. Keep in mind that macros can significantly streamline your customer service processes by automating repetitive actions. Feel free to experiment with different types of macros to see what works best for you and your team. Thanks for watching, and happy Zendesk managing.